Are we live? Are we live? I think we're live. This my setup is a little bit differently this morning, so I'm not sure. Check, sound check. Does everything look okay, chat? Frosty Ducks. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are live. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday morning. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, I want to double check, make sure everything looks right. I think I'm good. We are going to I think we're good, but I'm not 100% sure. Good morning. That one, good morning. Pre-market checklist. Yes, got Replicanto. Everything should be good. Good morning, Bella. Good to see you, Bella. Good morning. Good morning, Niles, John, Costy, One, Dimitri. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, Micro Player, Sean Evans, Jake Dell, Frosty Ducks. Good morning. All right, we are open. Market is open. I feel a little bit naked here because my chart isn't the same, but I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, I am going to be trading the Take Profit Trader accounts this morning. I'm going to be looking to trade the Take Profit, of course. Daily chart looks like this. Crazy daily chart right now. Man, I still find it hard to believe that we're almost 7,000. We're going to take out the 30,000s today, I think. But let's try to be, I'm going to try to be patient this morning. I am going to be patient. All right, give me a minute. All right, market. Honestly, pre-market, like I'm kind of looking for a pullback into like the 840s. If we get like the 840s, I'll be happy. Good morning, carry on. Good morning, D Zerf. Good morning, touchdown. The Hoodie Trader. Good morning, Almighty. Have you seen Bad Boys? Will Smith? Yeah, I have. I definitely have. Antonio, good morning. The Wolf. Good morning, Nick Lask. Mike sounds a bit off. Yeah, I need to double check. I was looking at my mic and it felt like it wasn't working right, but let me check. We are pulling back. Testing. Mic is quieter than normal. Is it better now? Testing 1, 2. Is the sound better? Good morning, John. Krista, good morning, Krista. The Wolf, good morning. Okay. Testing, testing. Yeah, I feel like it's different quality. I don't have my regular. Basically, we're streaming today from my laptop. So it's going to be a little different. Huh. Anyway, I guess it is what it is. Hopefully it's okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to listen to it. I mean, it's not terrible. Yeah, we'll be all right. We'll be all right. All right, time to pay attention, chat. Oh, this is actually where I want to get in. Oh no, I got to pay attention here. Okay, chat, we're in. Come on, just give me a straight up ripper here. I'd love to get just no stress at all. Come on. Ribbit. Go. Go. Now go. Come on. I'm just going to have my stop right here. And I'm going to see, my play is just, I want to see a move right back up into the 920s. But we might not get it. We got to get back above the 870s to have any real chance at this. Come on, baby, rip it. Rip it. Get back above the 870s. Go. Come on. That's not what I wanted to see. Come on, trap the shorts here. I'm going to actually move my stop. Come on, market. We need this to get above the 870s. I'm just going to hold. I'm just going to hold. Come on, Mark. Come on. This thing is just stuck. Hey, forget Ben and Rose. Take a look at the flute tune, Soul Pride remix. Oh, Artigo. Hey, good morning, DHY. Yogi. All right here. We got to get above the 870s. Go. That's it. Now keep going. All right, I'm going to move my stop up to here. Come on. Can we go? Go. Don't stall here. Don't stall. Come on, man. Let's have a nice. Let's do a nice trade here. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, go. Oh, I'm not sure how much more I'm gonna hold. Oh, let's go. Come on. Keep going. Go, baby, go. Hey, I'm just gonna try to get this thing to run. Let's see if we can actually hold a runner here. Keep pushing. Do we take profit at the 920s? I feel like I need to. Come on, baby. Go. Come on, baby. Sweep the 920s. Come on. Come on, baby. Go. You know what? I'm just gonna take it. We're gonna take our profits. Let's go, chat. Hey, there are the 920s. Could have held. You know what? We're gonna be happy with that. Daily payouts. Let's go. Man, that 940 level, that 840 level was golden. Golden, baby. Love to see it. Man, it looks like it's not stopping. Wow, it is just gonna keep going. Man. Now I don't really know what to do here. I don't really want to take. Man, it looks like it definitely feels like we want to take out that 30,000 level, right, chat? I mean, this has got to be where we're going. And I think I'm just going to wait. Let's wait. If we get a nice pullback, we'll enter again. You were in at 834. Let's go, Timbo. Let's go. Yeah, by the way, chat, hit the day loss limit on these Apex accounts. I'm not gonna. It's my own fault, but I made a terrible mistake. I made a mistake, and I just I made one mistake, and then I compounded the mistake over again. I accidentally traded one mini or two minis instead of two micros, which I then decided to keep trading it, and yeah, you know the results. The reason I was kind of dumb, I accidentally traded two minis. I had a chance, as soon as I entered the trade, it went against me and I was down 300. And then it started to correct, and I actually I thought it looked like a good trade. I got back to break even. I think it was up $100 in the green. And all of a sudden I'm like, dude, I love the way this trade is looking. I'm just gonna keep the trade on. And yeah, then it turned around and took me out. But look at this trap. Look at it. Man, we should have held. Oh, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Sell 156. Did not seem to matter. Look at this thing, Rip. We're gonna chat. We're taking out the 30,000 level for sure. Man, I am so tempted to jump in on this. Can you explain how to use a stop on Lucid? Just like any of the other one. I don't know anything different. All right, market. If I get a nice pullback here, I think I'm going to jump in on this. Man, I would love like a $300-400 day on these take profit accounts would be great. If we get a $300-400 day on these accounts, I'm going to take my daily payout tonight. But let's not get too excited. Let's just focus on taking good trades. And I'm just going to try not to chase. Like, I've chased a lot, and it just seems like it always gets me. All right, here we go. 980s. I really wish I would. I would love a pullback into the 940s. Like just a quick snap pullback into the 940s. Oh, I love that. I don't think I'm going to get it though. This is going to probably just rip straight up through the 30,000 level. If it does, it does. I'm not going to chase it. That's always how I get in trouble. The only way I'll chase this kind of move if it just keeps going harder, where we have to implement our pullback. Hang on, Chad. I got to go to the front door. All right, we're back, chat. Are you kidding me? Did we really pull back perfectly where I wanted? Chat, we really missed out. We really missed out. That thing literally pulled back right where I wanted it to. Oh, yeah, I hate to see that. But what can you do? What can you do? What are these bubbles? I'm not sure I like these bubbles, but I guess we'll wait. All right, now if we get a pullback into the 980s, but we literally took out the 30,000 level. 30,000 level is gone. Hey, good morning, Will Grimmer. Good morning. Man, we got that perfect pullback. I was looking for a pullback into the 40s. I guess we would have been stuck in a little bit of drawdown, but who knows? Who knows how that would have ended up. All right, I mean, I think I might try this long right here. Wait, did I get filled? Okay, now we're in. Come on, baby, rip it. Just give me that nice rip. Retake the 30,000 level and let's go. Go. Give me 30,000s. Come on. Rip it. Come on. Go. Just rip straight up here. Right up through the 20s. Oh, I would love to see that. If we fail to, we got to make new highs, I feel like. I'm going to take it off. I'm happy with that. This might be a only up kind of day. Why is I feel like my chart, my candles look way different. Is it just me, or I feel like it looks different? But I can't figure out why or what is different. Oh, we got to rip through the 30. If we fail to get through this and fail to make new highs, then I'm a little bit worried. Hey, good morning, Ace Undercover. Good to see you. Will Grimmer, Max 90. Good to see you, Max 90. Good morning, Timbo Trades, Mr. Wall Street. Good. They should be blue and white. No, let's not do that again, Mr. Wall Street. Dabda, good morning. MVP, good morning. Red, hey, good morning, Red. Just finished my best session in weeks for me. Let's go, Red. I love to see it. Yeah, the pullback literally happened right when I left. Unfortunate. All right, I think I... Sorry, guys, I gotta pay a bill or get these landscaper guys down payment paid so they can keep working. Or start working, I should say. All right. 30,000. We are actually trading NQ at 30,000. Isn't that crazy, chat? 30,000. Hey, Clyde. Good morning, Clyde. Good morning, DC fan for life. Good morning. Good morning, TK Dabda. I just don't I mean, I'm definitely not trusting a short here, but I don't really trust the longs at this point. I'm just gonna wait. We're just gonna be patient. Honestly, I just now see this. So take profit. We need $15 more, and then we can basically take a $300 payment, $300 payout times 5. That's 1,500 minus 20% is 1,200. So we basically $1,200 payout, lock it in. Can I check your code for Apex? It should work as far as I know. Why do you mean check? Just wait until the war 20 more times. I know, right? They don't know who I am. Do you choose end of day or intraday? I mean, Jeffy, I would, if you can choose end of day, I think end of day is the better account, obviously. Oh, wow, look at that. We are above the three. We're above the 20s. Yeah, this thing is looking so bullish. Oh, man. Look at her go. But yeah, end of day, if you can purchase end of day, I definitely would. Now, Apex, there's a lot of people that got unbanned, and I think there were some people that are restricted from buying the end of day accounts, which means you can only buy intraday accounts. But obviously, if you can buy end of day, I think it's pretty. I think those are the best accounts. Or there's a reason Apex is restricting people from buying end of day and not intraday. Let's just put it that way. All right, market. We just got to go long and hold. Man, I am sad. Very, very sad. The landscaping company literally cost me this trade. I wonder if I can send them a bill for that. Send them a bill. You interrupted my trading. It's going to cost you dearly. It's not that easy to unlock the reserve. However, I unlocked the first reserve today. Wow, are you serious, Max 90? Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Congratulations, man. Yeah, I agree, Wall Street. I mean, there's definitely some important numbers. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some pretty wild action. But I also wouldn't be surprised if we just rip this thing straight up. By the way, chat, yesterday was great. Got to use our pool. We used our pool for the first time yesterday. It was so nice. It was so nice. Man, I just want to. I mean, we just have to wait for another pullback. Just gotta wait. Gotta wait. Man, this EMA was. This pullback, we basically pulled back right into that 21 EMA on the 5-minute. And just boom, right back up. Man, I'm sad. I'm sad I didn't get to take this trade. It's okay though. All right, there she goes. We just continuing higher. Wow. Wow, chat. Am I buying more Apex Evals? Yeah, I will. I'm going to wait till end of the month. My cost, my expenses for the month we have reached our budget, surpassed it already. Yes, we are back in Florida today. We traveled down to Florida again yesterday morning. I'm only here for a week. We're here for a week. Basically, they're finishing up our landscaping. We had to be here. So we decided, why not just bring the whole family down, and that way at least we can enjoy the pool for a little bit. So that's what we're doing. Man, this thing is literally going straight up. Just straight up. We got to get a pullback here, right? We got to get a pullback here. No, never mind. No, we don't. Chat, what is happening? Gosh. Look at that thing. It's just, we're just breaking above now and everything is, man, that's crazy. Has anyone told me I look like Outdoor Guys YouTube guy? I think Outdoor Guys, they're like, he has a way more slim face, but I have heard that before. The budget needs to be 20,000 a month, Bill Roberts. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? You know when I'll increase my budget? When I'm a little more consistent. When I'm not blowing up as much, I'll increase my budget, which funny enough, I won't need to. If I'm consistent, which it's kind of, hey, good morning, Matty Mac. Good to see you, man. Day number 43 of no PA or eval purchases. Let's go, Matty Matt. There's nothing wrong with that. Guys, you're not going to believe where the new top of this crazy bull market. We had two scenarios. The one was 30,767. I mean, why not? Why not? What is my code? NBT, Jeff. NBT is always the code. Thank you for using code NBT, by the way. Thank you, chat. Also, Take Profit Trader, they keep extending their 50% sale. I guess now the end of the 50% sale is tomorrow, midnight. I only use the money from referrals to buy accounts. What do you mean? What are my circles? Honestly, I think I put these on last time. I'm not even sure what it is. What is this? Oh, it says order flow trade detector, significant trade volume at a current bid ask level. I guess I guess I used to use these, or this was on my laptop. I'm trading from my laptop today instead of my regular computer. That's why everything looks a little bit different. So but I don't really know what I'm looking for. I mean, does this mean people just keep buying more? It looks like it. So people just buy more, buy more, buy more. Market keeps going to all-time highs and people just keep buying more. Why not? Why not? Why not buy more? You're only buying accounts with money you get as a referral. That's what I would do. That way you spend zero money, basically. Yeah, see, I don't look at it that way, Raider for Life. See, I actually look at it the opposite way because I look at it, if I'm not consistently getting like 5K or X amount in payouts, if I'm not consistently getting X amount of payouts from trading, then I lower my budget because it means I'm not trading well. I don't think it's work. I don't like the idea of basically the worse I trade and just keep throwing more money at it isn't, I mean, I could, but I don't want to do that. It's just going to make things worse. But I have seen, I mean, I have definitely seen people like, and it's like, hey, I know what some people's spend is that get some of these insanely big payouts, like $1 million, $2 million, $3 million payouts from prop firms. They're not getting those kind of payouts without insane expenses. That's all I'm going to say. Know what I mean? Like, and I'm not saying that as a bad thing, but there is definitely a direct correlation between people that get huge payouts and people that they have. I mean, I don't want to say everybody, but relatively, as a rule of thumb, you're going to see people with insane expenses. And again, I'm not, it's okay, but I just don't want to do that. Okay, if I would spend $500,000 in evals and PA fees, if I would spend 500,000 every year and get like 700,000 in payouts, I mean, yeah, technically you have made 200,000. But I mean, would you really feel like a good trader if you would do that? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I want to have a ratio of 3 to 1. Like if I have 50,000 in expenses, I want to have like 150 to 200,000 in trading income in payouts. But I'm not doing so hot this year. This is definitely my worst year I've had in 2 years. Like this is definitely the worst. But hey, it's only May. It's only May, so we got plenty of time to turn it around. But I think part of how you have to go to turn it around is I got to be willing to slow down. I got to be willing to slow down, which is kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm going to focus on trading the Apex accounts I have, get payouts from the take profit account. And then when we head into June, we'll look to rebuild and add Lucid, add Tradeify, and probably get more Apex accounts. I have 270K in Apex Vault profits, but got close to 100K in payouts this year. That's awesome, Tensor. That is awesome, man. I hope. Yeah, I mean, the Apex Live account. Yeah, I think, yeah, Alpine is great. Alpine's expenses to payouts is really good. It is. That does, but hey, the way it sounds, Apex is going to go back to the drawing board on their live program, which I think is a good thing. Yeah, that's all I have to say at that on the matter at this point. I voiced my opinion, and we'll keep it at that. Is this thing really just going to go higher? No pullbacks at all. Yeah, Timbo, I feel like I have definitely, and I have 150K Top Step Live, best in the business. Let's go, Tensor. Tensor, man, you must be killing it then in trading. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. That is awesome. I love to hear that. Come on, market. We really need a pullback here. This is always when we usually see a little bit of an extended pullback. So I'm going to be careful not to just jump in here at the first red candle. Since I have a buddy else from they must be seeing a hit to their bottom line. Wait, Matt, are you still waiting for them on the audit? That's crazy. For taxes, right? He always says he doesn't keep track of his expenses. Oh, I know he does. At the end of the year, he does. Come on, market. We can't be getting this. Can't be the pullback that we got to get more than this. Man. Really? Oh, okay. They said June or July they'll have a determination. So, Matt, are you waiting for them to like say you're good, or like what are you waiting on them for? Oh, that would suck, man. April has been slow for me, but this month I stacked 5 TBTs. I was ready to say Tensor. Tensor, I was just gonna ask you if you have any take profit trader accounts, because I mean, in my opinion, Take Profit Trader's live account is way better than Top Step's live account. So if you want to take advantage of a really, really good live account, I would highly recommend Take Profit Trader. And then I feel like, I mean, Tradeify has a pretty good live account as well. Lucid, maybe not quite as good, but it's more like you got to grow it. It's definitely, I don't know. I'm very curious in the next 6 months to 9 months. I don't know how I don't know. I feel like the prop firm industry as a whole, again, I mean, I'm sticking to this, my opinion, of course. This is just my opinion, but there's a couple of things that prop firms need to do. Number one is transparency. Be transparent on your live program. Traders should know when they go to buy an eval, what are the parameters for the live program. I don't think that's asking too much. Like, hey, after X amount of payouts, you will be moved live. Now, if prop firms start to just move people live on the first, second, and third payout, like, the more that prop firms do that, the more important a really good live program is going to be. If somebody doesn't have a good live program and then they're also moving people live way before their max payout threshold, that's a problem. That's a problem. And I'm hoping that gets fixed. But it's like, if you're always allowing people to get to the max payout amount, or then the live program isn't that important. But the faster you are moving people live, the more important the live program is. And of course, people need to know what is the live program before you jump in. It's just common sense. Best thing about Tradeify is you can get 2K payout after earning 3K. Very few prop firms do that. I agree, Trader Debs. But I'm very interested to see, like, in 9 months, are people going to just keep squeezing? Because there's one of two things that's happening. Either these prop firm owners are just absolute greeds, like either they're really, really greedy, or their bottom line is getting squeezed to the point where they are moved, like they're just have a way tighter margin. So I'm not sure which one it is. I think it might be both. I have had 5 take profit before, but they were hard to keep. They stopped doing funny business now. My accounts. What do you mean, Tensor? In what matter? If I've ever tried funded seat, Niles, I have not. I have not. There's one prop firm currently that I'm kind of trying out. I'm trying out. I don't know. I'm just going to be way more careful about who I'm affiliated with before I jump in on. But there is one new prop firm that I'm kind of trying out, but I want to try them out, get a payout, test all their processes before I'm not even going to tell you who it is. I'm not going to promote nothing. And that way I can walk away and decide to not promote If I love the experience, then I will obviously probably promote, but I don't know. I don't know. I just think I want to be careful. Look at this thing go. Man, chat, look at it go. 30,100. Top step, take profit, tradeify, and trade day in that order. Yeah. I really like the new live program, the Lucid and Tradeify offer bonus rewards available with profit targets in live. Yeah, Captain Crunch, I love it. And again, it's even like just be transparent on what your live program is, because then people can decide. At least give people the choice to decide, hey, this is our live program. And I mean, if you don't like it, then you don't have to use it. But people need to know. People need to know what the program is. And it can't be like ambiguous and be like, well, for this person, we'll do this, for this person, and treat each case like uniquely. That's not, we can't have that. Phantom, really, Tensor, Phantom open trades. Oh, Tensor, did you see that you no longer lose your account if you accidentally have an open order at the end of day? They will automatically cancel that. That was great to see. When I had my call with them, that was one of the things I requested. Like, that is a petty rule, that just a predatory rule. I'm very happy to see that they got rid of it. So hopefully that, yeah. But the phantom orders, I mean, that shouldn't happen. I mean, I agree, high buy. Supposedly those were very unique situations. And I know one of the cases where it was a mistake. So that definitely should not be happening, high buy. Man, this thing is unbelievably bullish, and I can't jump. I'm not going to chase today. I told myself on these take profit trader accounts, we are above the buffer. We have the golden goose. These 5 accounts are the golden goose. And this golden goose will keep laying golden eggs every day as long as I do not act like an idiot, which we all know that can happen in a blink of an eye, but that is the one area that I am usually the worst at, is when I chase these moves and all of a sudden we get a 100-point pullback, and that's where things just... The other thing that I need to stop doing, and I have done this numerous times in the past, and I know you guys have seen it, and it's basically when I chase a move like this, but the reason, like part of the reason that I chase the move is a lot of times I will do it with less size, and I'll go in with like 1 micro or maybe 2, but my plan is that, oh, I'll go in up here and I'll just buy more if we get a bigger pullback. But then we start getting an even bigger pullback. And the best case scenario for those trades, like if I look at my history of doing that, the best case scenario is I usually get out for break even. So it's like I'm going in at a very high risk trade that has, I mean, very small return. It's just a bad all around. And I'm just going to stop doing it. It's just dumb. So yeah, we need to do it. Yeah, exactly, John. I go in with the intent of 1 micro, and then all of a sudden, 30 minutes later, I'm at 20 micros and hit the daily loss limit, and I don't know what happened. It's literally what happens. Dustin S., you have no payouts on the current and you got moved to live. Are you kidding? Are you serious? Trader Debs. So, I mean, this is what I was told. Again, what I was told. Instead of Apex doing eval bans like they have in the past, where you basically are restricted to only trading the current accounts that you have, instead of doing that, they are now only doing that on end of day accounts. So basically, people that were previously eval banned, they are now unbanned and they can trade. They can trade evals and can trade with Apex again, but they can only purchase intraday accounts. And I guess there's new people that instead of getting eval banned, they now can only trade intraday accounts. Again, what are the parameters for that? Why is that happening? I wish I knew. I wish I knew. And trust me, it's not for lack of trying. But I got basically told to shut up. So here we are. I was never eval banned. I'm surprised. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not saying even if you weren't eval banned, I'm saying like going forward, that's going to be the new mod. Like that's going to be the new normal going forward. Instead of being eval banned, you are just only going to be restricted to buying intraday accounts instead of end of day. Again, just sharing what I know. My advice is stop trying to go against the trend on trend days. On range days, you can fight the trend. But I mean, I'm okay. I don't like, again, yeah, overall, I think the biggest thing is just like when we're in this strong of a trend move higher, obviously I lost a bunch of accounts by, we had like 3 days of pullback. Like when we get into these pullback days, I'm still trying to buy, like I'm buying the dips, but obviously it doesn't always work, and that's okay. It's more that I just need to accept my losses. But I mean, like this morning, we bought the dip this morning at the 840s. That was perfect. So I definitely want to be long-term bullish. I want to look for longs. Just got to be very careful. Honestly, just need to take my losses. That's what it is. I just got to take my losses. Easier said than done, but yeah, I agree. I agree, Niles. When I saw the new rules, I've been chasing live accounts. I don't like payouts till I have 10K balance. Tensor, did you do that before Top Step's new live? Or was that in Top Step's old live program? Because Top Step's old live program was pretty good. Top Step's new live program, not so good. Take Profit Trader did, Captain Crunch, yes. So it used to be that Take Profit Trader you would actually lose your account if you accidentally had an open order sitting somewhere or had an open position at the close of day. You would lose everything. Yeah, Tradeify, I think Tradeify is great. The way I would rank the live accounts is Take Profit Trader first, and then Tradeify, and then it's like, I would probably do Lucid and then Top Step and 8. I mean, we don't know what Apex is yet. So I guess, but as of now, I guess we can't even rank. honestly. In terms of available escrow, yeah, Tradeify right now is actually pretty good. I'm still sad. I had two live accounts with Tradeify and I blew both of them. So annoying. You didn't know that? That's a nice update to their rules. Yeah, I agree, Captain Crunch. I agree. Yeah. You still think, but Tensor don't, I mean, do you feel like the new Top Step live rules are still okay? Like, I just can't believe how much profit you're forfeiting. And that, I mean, the amount of profit you're forfeiting, you're basically forfeiting 80% of your profits, right? So it's basically, I mean, is it still worth running up your accounts to, I mean, I know it's not technically forfeited, but you have to make so much more money just to get access to it. I mean, I guess it comes down to if you feel confident in your trading and you feel like you can keep getting to it, then it, you know, it makes it viable, but Lucid is not 50% off with your code. It's 30%. Todd Skulls. Let me double check. You might be right. But that 50% off is only for 2 accounts. So the first 2 times that you buy with 50% off, then it is. But after that, it's 30% off. Unless that changed. But yeah, that's still good. So it's only for the first 2 uses. It completely changed my attitude toward live accounts. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Everyone's going to force you live. Bonus. Best to go with the bigger live balance. Yeah, but they don't have that big of a live balance tensor. That's what I mean. So only 20% of your profits are going to be available to trade in there. Like, I mean, unfortunately, that might be the new normal. As much as it sucks, that might be the new normal. I guess it is what it is. I mean, it feels like these props keep changing the rules and changing programs and just, I mean, unfortunately, even if we don't like it, it's either you got to trade your own live money or you're going to have to adapt to their rules and or switch to prop firms that, you know, have a better program. But if everybody starts doing it, it's like, well, what are we going to do? Sucks. The Great Dane, I mean, it's pretty simple. Obviously, it's going to be harder. You know, intraday trailing is going to be harder. That's why. I ran up 2 XFAs, took 20K payouts, knowing I would go live after 1 payout, but would have a 23K live balance. So 40K, but 40K, you would only get 5K as a live balance tensor. So if you have, for example, let's say you have 5 accounts with Top Step and you run up to a total balance of 100K, you get 20K. Oh, the rules change right in the middle of your run. Oh, wow. How do they treat that? Yeah, I see what you mean, Trader Debs. What I don't like is not having clarity. Same. I mean, that's the number one thing that I'm pushing on Apex, and they will. There will be more clarity on it. They are working on it, but obviously, in my opinion, they should have probably had a live program before they started moving traders live. That's probably a pretty civil take, but hey, here we are. All right, we are actually, this is actually, we should probably take this. What time is it? 10:51. I want to see where this candle closes. All right, let's see if we get filled. If we get filled, we're long. Ugh. Oh, nice, AJ. Don't do that. Don't do it. I've been waiting for a week for Apex to send payout after approval. I'm kind of tracking. I mean, I've heard that's the other thing that needs to improve. Instant approvals are great. I got 2 payouts, or I requested 2 payouts with Apex last week. They were literally approved in 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Instant approvals, which I love. That's great. Now we need instant payouts. Like, send out the money right away. Why not? We're working on it. But yeah, I haven't seen my payouts from last week either. And this is not what we wanted. I need to put in a stop here. Man, are we getting stopped here? It's going to be frustrating. We are going to get stopped. You know what? I'm going to have my stop right here at the 60s. Hey, if we get stopped, we get stopped. We need one of them big green candles. Come on, give me a nice wick here. Oh, you mean people that are currently transitioning to live? No, people are just waiting. Tradeify paid me in 2 hours on Friday evening. They're really good. Yeah, I agree, Trader Debs. Tradeify and Lucid, very fast payouts, almost instant. Which firm's moving people live before getting a payout now? I mean, I don't think anybody's doing that. I don't know. I know there were some that were by mistake. Really need this thing to rip here. Come on. Man, that's unfortunate. Yeah, we're getting stopped here, chat. Come on, market. Give me a break here. Ribbit. And we're cooked. Ugh. I do not understand why everyone is afraid to go to live. It's not that people are afraid to go to live. That's not the problem. The problem is how you're going to live. How you're going to live and what the parameters are in a live account. Please tell me we did not just get shot in the tick. Is this thing just going to bleed lower now? But I mean, it's very simple. I mean, let's just take Lucid, for example, or Tradeify. If you have Tradeify, I got shot in the tick, Jinzo. Don't you know? It happens all the time. It happens all the time, Jinzo. I get shot in the tick, and then it goes higher. It hurts. It hurts really, really bad. It hurts right down to my toes. The bonus is a big plus for me, plus O to get there. Yeah, I mean, I would, again, okay, but for example, if you're just trading if you're able to trade 5 accounts and you make, you can take out 15,000, of course, but then once you get above the buffer, that's when things are really, things actually kind of turn in your favor, because now every time you make $3,000, you can take out 15. So 15,000, but then if you get moved into a live account, well, okay, it depends which prop firm. Like, again, Take Profit Trader, it actually is a benefit. I would be tickled. I would be ecstatic about if I ever get moved live with Take Profit Trader, I will have a party. I'll be happy. For sure. All right, market. We are just bleeding lower. Now I'm not sure. I guess the 20s maybe. Are we going to test the 20s? I'm really debating if I want to take another trade. I mean, I think I will. But if we take another trade and then it's another loss, it's going to annoy me. It's unfortunate. You know what? I need to go grab me something to drink. Be right back. High buy TBT is easily the best. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Man, this is so tempting. I mean, I feel like you know what I'm going to do, chat? I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to wait. I want to see if we get a trap here. All right. Man, this text is so small. Why is it so small? All right, we need to get this. This is a trap. This needs to get back above the 60s. Come on, baby. Really need this above this 60 level. If we can get above the 60s, I feel like we have a shot. I also don't want to get greedy here. No way. All right, we might have to kill this. 320s is gonna, the 20s is gonna be my, that's gonna be my pain level. We really just gonna bleed lower? Yeah, I hate to see it. All right. 20s are going to be the last. It's going to be my last last bullet. The 20s don't hold. We just got to roll. We're just going to have to take the L. Come on. Last ditch effort. Last ditch effort. Don't be like this. Oh my gosh. Market, I hate you. Ribbit! Come on! We got a rip here. Rip! Go! Go! Keep going! All right, now we can hold. Oh, the market thought I was going to get scared. I ain't scared of a little 20 sweep. Now rip it! Go! Come on, baby. I would love this thing all the way. Just rip it straight up. Go, baby! Come on! Come on! Do not fake out here, please. Go! Oh, it's gonna, I don't like the stutter. It's stuttering. Hey, NBT. Good morning, Bobby. Feel like I'm asking for trouble. This thing could fake out here. Oh, but I wanna see it rip. I wanna see it rip. Ugh. All right, now I'm just gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna have my stop right below this. Actually, hang on. Hang on, chat. Let's do it let's do this the right way. We're gonna have her stop right below the 30,000s. Come on, market. Rip! Are you kidding me right now? Chat! Chat! Why? Why? Why, market? Why? Why can't we have nice things? Funny, Mark. That's right, Jinzo. It might get the last laugh, though. That's the problem. We gotta hold right here. We are cooked. We might take the L once again. That's so annoying. Man, I hate when the market has such a strong trend and then all of a sudden it just slowly rolls over. Oh, makes me so mad. Maybe I did say that, Matty Matt. I might have mentioned it. We can trap the shorts here and go straight back up, though. It's still a chance. There's still a chance. I really need to lock. I really want to get some funded Tradeify and Lucid accounts. I think what I'm going to do if I do that, I'm going to go back to my slow and steady approach. No trading minis, only trading micros. Look for just slow and steady. I've been trying to like go way too fast when I'm trading Lucid and Tradeify. All right, I'm about to give up on this. This thing, I think we're going lower. This is where I want to just close this, but I know I shouldn't. Come on, go. Come on, baby. Straight up. Come on. Repeat. All right. I think I'm moving my stop to there. We really need to get above the 50s. If we can get above the 50s, we might have a chance, chat. We might be cooking. We might be onto something. CRA approved my prop. Oh, really? Frozen North. Let's go. That's good news, Frozen North. Well, you would think if they approve yours, they should approve Matty Matt's, right? You would think so. Yeah, I agree, Tensor. I'm not like, I don't mind trading 5 days for a payout. I don't mind that. Okay, I'm about to give up on this trash. Market is starting to annoy me. Yeah, market always has to be dramatic, Jinzo. It does. I'm still convinced. There's some market makers, there's some people that are just, they think it's hilarious. They think it's funny to watch Nutty get all upset. So they tease me, they tickle my entries, they tickle my take profits, and they shoot me in the tick, all just to get a reaction out of me. I'm convinced. I mean, we have so much proof. We have so much proof on video. It's crazy. What they don't know, I'm saving all my proof until I have enough evidence. We're going to do a massive, massive lawsuit. The pain and suffering amount is going to be astronomical. Biggest lawsuit you've ever seen. $200 million. We want like 10 billion in emotional damage. I'm playing chess. They're playing checkers. All along, they think I'm trying to make. Really? They think I'm trying to make money trading? No. What I'm actually doing is gathering evidence for a lawsuit. That's all I'm doing. Joke's on them. Add you to the suit, Gigi? Yeah, maybe we'll do a class action. We'll do a class action. What kind of laptop do I have that you're able to stream and trade? It's actually not that beefy of a laptop, but I'm actually kind of curious how it's going to hold out. I'm actually not even sure. Excuse me. Let me see if I can pull up my info. So this is what I have. It's really not, it's only 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is the processor. It's just a very, you know, it's not that much. It's got a 4060 graphics card. Yeah, it's not that crazy of a laptop. I actually figured algorithm. Stinkfinger. Well, I interviewed Peter Tuchman, and I asked him why he keeps going after my stops. He didn't think that was too funny, but well, he thought it was funny after he knew I wasn't serious. But the funniest bit I ever saw was when you know Benjamin SMC. Actually, Jinzo, you know who I'm talking to. You know who I'm talking about. So Benjamin, which is an ICT trader, like funniest thing I ever saw. Really, market? Really? Anyway, so Benjamin SMC, he goes up there. He's trying to be all, you know, professional. He goes up to Peter Tuchman to interview him, and he's asking Peter Tuchman about ICT concepts and fair value gaps and blah, blah, blah. Peter Tuchman looks at him and said, that's complete garbage. Like he just absolutely destroyed ICT. Oh my gosh. Pretty sure that interview didn't make the cut. That was so funny. Oh, it was so funny. And then you got to remember, oh, I got to find this again. When this happened, I almost died laughing. I almost died. I should have been recording it because I could have. Oh, it would have been so good. But I wasn't. because I'm terrible at creating content. Every time I go to these events, it never fails. It never fails. I'm just so bad at creating content. All right, I need to find this one video. I gotta show you guys this one video. We almost, me and Alpine almost died laughing. Oh, I'm gonna find it. Look, chat. Look at us. That's me with Peter Tuchman, the Einstein of Wall Street. Oh, that guy's crazy. Like that guy's legitimately. That guy's crazy. All right, we got to find the video. Oh, where is it? Okay, when was this day? Tuchman doesn't seem honest either. I don't even know. I don't know enough of him. Like, I mean, okay. Peter Tuchman tried to get me to sell a course. Like, he was like, I can hook you up with so and so and so, and we gotta do this. I'm like, nah, we're good. I'm too dumb. Second of all, that would require that I might know what's going on, actually. All right, February 18th. For some reason, it's not, I'm going to find it, chat. Don't you worry. We will find. It's too funny not to show this. I got to say, being in New York City, I want to go back. Oh, also, when we were eating, shout out to, look at this. This here, that was some of the best. Oh, that was so good. Oh, that was so good. I want to go back. I was eating like, oh, here it is, chat. Here it is. Hang on, chat. Now we have to have the sound volume turned on. And I just realized I don't think, shoot, I don't have sound on here. Oh, wait, no, does my laptop have sound? Yeah, sure it does. Yeah, we can get sound. Hang on, chat. I'm going to find it. I'm going to figure this out. Are you kidding me? I can't get sound on here? Gotta be joking me right now. Oh, okay. Got the sound, chat. Got the sound. All right. Hang on. So you got to remember the context of what we were talking about the day before. Benjamin was confronting Peter Tuchman about ICT concepts. And Peter Tuchman was like, it doesn't work. Like, he just flat out told him. And then this was like that evening. And and by the way, I know Lumi Trades is in here and Tanya. Lumi trades and Tanya are great. So
Oh no, we're cooked, chat. They're trading ICT in the Asia session. Guys, you realize Peter Tuchman said it doesn't work. Oh, we are so cooked. Tanya, Lumi, and Benjamin, they're trading SMC, or I mean ICT right now, and it doesn't even work.
oh. Watch out. Alpine literally spilled his drink. Oh, poor guys.
We are cooked.
Oh. Lumi's married. Lumi is married, chat. Yeah, he was so funny. Oh, anyway, meanwhile, this market, I kind of wish I had just took my profits up here. I might try one more time buying here right at the 30,000 level. I think I'm going to do it. Last ditch effort.
Order filled.
Order filled. I'm not going to be greedy here. Let's just get a move back in here and moving on. Pardon me, I just want to take a $20 trade and move on. Ribbit! Come on, babe. Come on. You know what? I'm just gonna let's now go higher. Rip it. Maybe we can get a breakout. Maybe. If we can get a breakout, great. Am I a fan of Rory McIlroy? Man, am I a fan of him? He's not my favorite player, but I don't dislike him. Like, not like some people. Okay, market, really? I'm just getting out. I'm sick of this market now. I don't mind Rory, but he's not my most favorite player. How he interacts with the fans sometimes, I think is pretty cringy, but all right, looks like the 30,000 level does not want to hold. That's what it looks like. Man, I want to try one more time. Oh, this 30,000 level is so important, but I don't know. And there she goes, dropping down below. It's crazy. We actually going lower. 980s, 970s. Man, I'm going to try one more time right off the 980s. We are going to try one more time. I'm hoping this is a sweep and then we rip it back up. Like this. Go. Go. Can you just go up for once, like straight up? Repeat. We need a trap candle. Come on. Go. 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 Does not want to do it. All right, we might have to give up. Just doesn't seem to want to do it. Maybe. Nope. Nope. Oh, maybe. Ribbit. Come on, we need a big ripper candle, like straight up. It's the only chance we got of actually trying to make new highs. Because every little green candle is just being sold. Just immediately back down. I should probably just get out. I'm going to try to hold. Come on, market. There's a chance. There is a chance. Got to get above the 10s. Feel like I should. You know, if I take profit right here, it's going to keep going, right? But I feel like if I was smart, I would just take my profit. This is for testing purposes only. I'm going to take my profit. Let's see if it keeps going higher. What happened to Tori? I haven't seen the Rari pick in a while. Oh man, who knows? Don't be talking bad about my tan line trading. And look at that. Hey, we did the right thing, chat. Jonathan Doe. Yes, I know exactly what you mean. All right. I mean, the only other place I'm really interested at buying is the 940s. 930, 940 area. I'm willing to try that one more time, but after that, I think we just gotta walk away. This thing is, I don't know. I think we gotta walk away. This is gonna be, if the market closes like below 30,000 today, this is gonna be one crazy looking candle. What a pullback. What a pullback. Literally went up to the 30,120s. And now we're down at the 29,980s. Crazy. A crazy pullback. This is so tempting to try to catch these longs, but I don't think I can do it. Feel like the market's just waiting and slowly waiting, but we're gonna see this thing rip back up again today. I might be wrong, but I think this thing is primed for a move. Try to get back up above that 30,000 level at some point. But so far, it's been a slow and steady move lower. Hey, good morning, Tate. I've never used Rise before. Do you know how long it takes to reach the bank from once it says it's sent? Yeah, I think, in my opinion, usually it's been like the next day or a day after. So it's very fast. Hey, Tick Daddy Trades, good morning. Let's get the Apex PAs out of the red today. Yeah, that ain't happening. That is not going to happen today. Maybe tomorrow. These hit the day loss limit, so we're going to try to recover them tonight or overnight session. Hopefully we can. Hopefully. If not, it's unfortunate. Yeah. I mean, the day loss limit has saved it has actually saved me. It saved me on these accounts. These 4 accounts, we hit the day loss limit a week ago, and they're back above 2,600. I think I need 2 more days. Actually, you know what? Let's check. I think I need 2 more days of $250 or more, and then we can take another payout. Might be 3 days I need. I'm not sure. Let's see. Say what? Oh, maybe no. No, was this the second day? Wow. No, I still need, this is day 2, I believe. Wait, did yesterday count as 1 day? Maybe it did. It might have. So Sunday. Oh, okay. So yesterday, Sunday, and yesterday and today is all counted as 1 day. Okay. Then I need 4 more days. I need 4 more days trading on these accounts. So yeah, that's all right. We should be able to take out the 1,500 per account then. I'm new to them, but I really like them so far. Okay, right. You need to catch up on yard work today, John? Oh, man. I actually need to do that too, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Here in Florida, it is hot. It's a hot one. By the way, you know what I discovered? Oh, dear, look at that. Oh, man, I am so tempted. I want to go long. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the 940s. But here in Florida, man, these love bugs, there are these little bugs called love bugs that I didn't know exist until I came here in Florida. But man, like it's like a plague. They just descend upon your home. It is insane how many bugs we have. Actually annoying. Thankfully, we have the pool. Like, we have the pool screened in, or it would not really be, it would be miserable trying to swim. But man, it's like insane. They're everywhere. Yeah, at least they don't bite. Exactly, Kenny P. Like, they don't bite. They really don't do you anything. It's just annoying. But they're attracted to your front door. Don't ask me why, but for some reason, they just flock to your front door, and it makes it impossible to use your front door. It's crazy. Yeah, I definitely discovered why I need a screen. Yeah, for sure. You couldn't believe the amount of lizards were around when you were in Florida last year. I mean, yeah, the lizards, I don't mind the lizards. Lizards are fine. But man, these love bugs, oh, and they die. So they die really quickly. So you just get like these big mounds of love bugs. Like, you guys think it's bad. Like, let me show you. I'll show you. Hang on, chat. I'll show you how bad it is. Like, it's bad. It's real bad. By the way, look at this. We had a brush fire. There was a brush fire yesterday. About 30 acres went up in flames yesterday. Thankfully, they got it contained. But it was like 4 miles from us. It was not far away. Let me find these love bugs. Here. Look at this. That's the mound of love bugs that die right at your front doorstep. We ordered DoorDash, McDonald's. Guy sits it there, and I'm like, I'm glad we got to it right away, because my goodness, look at all these bugs. And then this is only 1 week's worth. This is a week ago. This was completely clean. It's insane. And then on the inside, the problem is they crawl through the weather stripping, which I fixed it. But look at this. This is what it looked like when we got inside. Yeah, I was upset. I was not happy. Look at that. I was so mad. But now we taped the door sill. Now they can't get in. But we yeah. Oh, 940s, guys. We got it. Last chance. This is our last trade. If this does not hold, we give up. We officially give up. Chat. This is scary times. We got to get a, come on. You're not going to bounce at the 940s. Really? Oh, really? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Come on. Ribbit! I don't like this. I don't like this. Go! I might kill this trade. Go! Oh, I hate when the market does, like, I hate this kind of price action so bad. I really, really don't like it. Oh my goodness. This is not good. Rip it! Come on! Just go! It looks like it wants to, but then it just doesn't. Go! Rip it! Getting upset. I'm getting upset. I do not like this. Huh. You kidding me? This is dumb. This is so dumb. Oh my gosh. You have got to be kidding me. We really just gonna go straight down? Like, are we serious? Come on, go! Go! Dude. No shot. Oh my, no way. I know if I stop out here, we're gonna rip higher. I know it. This is terrible. Oh, this is so bad. I really don't like this. I really don't like you, market. We're gonna rip higher. I know we will. As soon as I get out. I'm gonna try to hold. I mean, top of the hour is coming up. I gotta be careful though. Oh man. Come on. Go! Go! Don't do the hope and nope here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do the hope and nope. Rip it! Go! Ah. Go. 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 This might just reverse right back down. Probably should just get out, but I'm being a little greedy. Come on, at least get back up to the 940s. At least. Go. Come on. Just rip it straight up through the 940s. Go. Do it. Come on. No. This is where I should probably get out. I should probably get out here. This is, we could just completely flip around and right back down and make new lows. I'm being a little bit of an idiot. But maybe. Go. I gotta take some off. I don't know. Is he gonna make it? Is this gonna be the reversal? Is it? Oh, I don't know. See, that's the problem, right? There is a perfect example. This is like my pet peeve of how I trade. I mean, that's crazy. Crazy sweep lower. If this actually goes all the way back up higher now, I'm gonna lose it. That's just not a good trade. I just basically took $300 of drawdown to get out at break even is basically what it amounted to. I guess it's better than taking a $300 loss, but should have taken what I should have done is take my $100 loss and then re-entered. That would have been the right move. Huh. Where's the fun in that? I mean, look at this. Unbelievable. Oh, that's where I get so annoyed. Should have just held, but easy saying that when you're once you're $300 in drawdown, getting out at break even looks pretty good. And it definitely feels good. I should take a short. Show how mad you are at the market. Broke gains. You want me. You want me to be. You want me to go on breaking something mode. But if you know it was a bad trade, why get annoyed? Well, it's like if I do take trades like that, like why not at least hold to make it worth it? But I shouldn't even have held. I should have just gotten out and then I could have re-entered. But it feels different than holding through drawdown and then getting out at break even. There's like a difference. I'm not sure why, but there is a difference. It's at least, especially mentally, unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this. We're almost 100-point move. Almost. Just straight up. I wish somebody would explain this. Why? Why does that? What make that make sense? I don't have a fixed stop loss entry exit. Yeah, I know. I know. All right, moment of truth. Is this going to continue higher or just dump? Moment of truth. I'm not sure. Part of me, I feel like I should just call it a day, but the other part of me feels like one really good trade would be really nice. Right here, if this is where I'm looking for the trap is right here, the 940s. Wick down below the 940s and then rip it straight back up. If it's going to trap the shorts, I feel like that's where it's going to do it. Okay, time to pay attention. All right, moment of truth. All right, now I am going to have a stop loss. I am going to have a stop loss on this. And I'm not going to be, let's not do anything stupid. I'm not going to move my stop loss. If we get stopped, we just call it a day. We shall call it a day. Come on, I want to see this thing really snap. Big rip here, come on. Rip it. It's not really doing it. Taking its time. Just not a good sign. Not looking good. Hey, UK futures trader, how we doing? Good morning. Good afternoon, I guess. It's warm. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? As soon as I'm done trading, I'm gonna go jump in the pool. I tell you what, I sure would have a better afternoon if this would go to my targets instead of my stop loss. I can tell you that much. I sure would appreciate it. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Wow. I give up. It looks like we just want to keep going lower. It's pretty frustrating, to be honest. Pretty frustrating. Yeah, TK. I'm not going to hold. I am not going to move my stop loss. Not going to happen. Come on. This is our last chance right here. Do it. Go. Ribbit. Come on. Don't do the hope and nope. Don't do it. Don't dare give me the hope and nope strat. We need the ripper strategy right here. Come on. Ribbit. 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 Come on, baby. Come on. Don't do the hope and nope. Don't do it. Don't. Chat. It's gonna, I can feel it. It's gonna do the hope and nope. Ribbit! Come on, baby, go! I'm gonna be chicken. I'm gonna chicken out. I'm gonna chicken out, at least take one off. And then I'm gonna move my stop to right here. Just not in the mood to do. I'm not mentally prepared for a hope and nope strategy. A hope and nope's gonna trigger me. I want an AI generated image of a redheaded frog screaming, "Rip it." Oh my goodness. And now I'm going to have to do it. And there you go. I just knew it was going to do the hope and nope, chat. I just knew it. I knew it was going to do the hope and nope. And hey, another break-even trade, chat. Let's go. Jonathan Doe, I've been incredibly accurate today. Unfortunately, it's been selling the lows and buying the highs. I just asked ChatGPT to make that, but it's so graphic, I can't show it to you guys. It's on, I can't show that. It's, we can't do it. We can't go there. I bought the high at the open, almost ruined my day. Oof. We're gonna have to delete. We're gonna have to delete ChatGPT completely. We are definitely cooked. Broke gains. Hey, Diego. Oh. ChatGPT is still wrong for that. Chat, we have to delete this image, but look look at that. What in the world? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. That is criminal. That is absolutely criminal. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to delete this for sure. Man, this is kind of holding. I don't know. I'm thinking about calling it a day. Starting to get choppy here. I don't know. I'm just not that interested right now in this. Still kind of like the longs, but let me see. So I want to check something. Hmm. Man, this is tempting to go long, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait. You know how hard? Why is it so much harder to walk away when you've been up? I think I was up $240. When you were up like $200 to $300 a day, and then you drop back down to 100. I don't know why, but at least for me, it's so much harder to walk away when you give back some of your profits, which is probably why we have these issues. Back up we go. 970s now. Are we going to start grinding higher now? Oh, there it goes. 975s. Feel like this is difficult to trade. I keep reminding myself each trade, and I ask if I'm okay giving away profit. Yeah, Robert Digital. I was actually at that point when we were $200 in profit. I thought about it. I was like, I should maybe just stop trading. But then, it's like, you know what would be better than $200 in profit? I'll tell you what would be better. 300 in profit. There it goes, 980s. There she goes, without us. Of course, without us. Feels bad. Diego, which one is best? Oh, man. I don't know. I think the select accounts, I guess it depends what you're looking for, but All right, 985s. She just going straight up now, chat. Of course. Just go figure. It's just how it's how it goes sometimes. The flex, you guys like the flex? Yeah, I mean flex is also good. It's just yeah. Are we really just gonna go right back up? All right, 990s. We're gonna take out. We're gonna retest that 30,000 again. Oh, this is where I start getting FOMO. FOMO starts kicking in. Trying to think if I want to lock out and call it a day. Man, look at that. Right back up to the 30,000s. Right back up. Wow. the real traders take a short here and start DCAing. Hey, I can appreciate that. I respect it. This would be a tempting short, but I'm not doing it. I am not doing it. But man, that's some crazy price action today. We literally went straight up 30,120s and then just right back down, like slow bleed, just right back down. And now we're going right back up. Man. Good times, good times. Yeah, the trading range, it is counterintuitive. See, I remember 2 years, 3 years ago, 3 years ago, if we got 100-point move, like it was, like that was a huge move. Now it's like, it's just, it's nothing. If I have Lucid accounts right now, not right now. We'll be restocking Lucid and Tradeify at the end of the month. And probably Apex. But for now, I just don't want to, I want to focus on my funded accounts and getting a payout. I don't want to be distracted by trading evals right now. I just really don't. I'm not in the mood. Just, there she goes, right? Just going higher. All right, Chad, I'm going to give up. I'm going to lock out. We're going to walk away. It's still a green day. It's not what I wanted, but it's still okay. We're okay. If we can lock in, like, I'd love to take a payout on these take profit accounts at some point this week, but right now I think we're just gonna call it a day. We kind of messed up with, I mean, I don't know. The only thing I probably did, the worst thing I did was this trade right here. Should have just took my loss and re-entered, but crazy moves, man. I don't know. This thing gonna go all the way back up, make new highs? Wouldn't be shocked. Would not be shocked. But we are locking out for the day. And there you go. We are officially locked out. No more trades for me. You have Facebook memories showing me an NQ sell I took at 12. Oh my goodness, 12,515 Camber trades. That is insane. You were up 650 points on that? That is crazy too. Wow. Wow. John King, I don't know, it's called the order flow. What is it called? Order flow trade detector. I've never really used it in the past, but we'll keep it on there for now and look at it, I guess. All right, everybody, I'm gonna call it here, and we'll be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow, and honestly, my main objective is going to be, I'm going to try to recover the Apex account, try to recover the daily loss limit. And then obviously I'm going to look for $250 days on Apex. And then we're just going to look for anywhere from $200 to $400 on take profit. And just, hey, try to get some payouts before the end of this month. That's the objective. We shall try. All right, everybody. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate your support, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care, and God bless.